There's a nice way to run a series of SAS programs within Enterprise Guide in the correct order. So if you were to go to File, Open, and just start by opening some SAS programs. For example, let's say I have some programs that generate summary tables here. And if I open them, there's a default, these are only sample programs, but there's a default order that it opens in. This will actually be the order in which the programs run and execute. You can change them. So, for example, if this MH, medical history, requires to be run earlier, if I move it up here, if it generates data sets that this other program needs, then you might need to run this first. So you can rearrange it that way. So once you've rearranged all your programs in the correct order, you can just go ahead and run. It runs the top one first, and then it just goes down this order. Let me go back to the process flow. So the nice thing is, in the old way, you can create a script file, like a bat file, and define these programs one at a time for the order in which they run. This is managed within Enterprise Guide, and this process flow here is saved within a project. So if you want to retain this, you can go ahead and save this as a project and name the project something like summary tables, for example. And notice that it gives it the extension of EGP for Enterprise project files. When I save it, it will retain this order. So if I were to close out of Enterprise Guide, make sure I save that. Notice that there's this file with the extension EGP, which is the summary tables project. If I open that up again by double clicking on it, it will come back to the exact order that I've defined, and then I can rerun it. So this is a nice way of running all your groups of programs, such as summary tables, listings, figures, or whatever programs you need to run in a specific order. You can create different project files for them.